What is up, everyone? This is Motorals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the MFReadWrite.dll not found error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error where you're basically lost or missing or corrupted DLL file error, whatever that it may be getting, so first you're going to do is copy this DLL error that you're getting, paste it into Google, and find one of the DLL download websites. So like this one, or there's a few other ones where you can just go to find the DLL. Then once you're in here, click into downloads or go to the download page and download both the 64-bit and the 32-bit version of this, because you want to download the specific one that's more for your architectures, but I always recommend just downloading both of them. Once you download it, open up a folder, go to this PC, go to local disk C, in here go to the Windows folder, and in here find the two specific folders called System32 and SysWow64. So you'll see them like near each other. The SysWow64 is for the 64-bit architecture and the 32 is for the 32-bit one. If you have both, hence why you downloaded both, copy paste the 32-bit into the 32 and the 64 into the 64 folder. Once you do that, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. If you're on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motorals out. Peace.